Hey guys, welcome to Arithmetic Sequences Part 1. The objective for this is if I give you a sequence of numbers, you, the student, should be able to find the common difference. Before we begin, we need to know what a common difference is. So common meaning the same, difference meaning subtraction. So the definition of a common difference, the common difference is the difference between consecutive terms. I know you guys want to get out of the way so you can record, so look. There's your chance to pause and write that down. So the common difference is the difference between consecutive terms. Okay? It is found by subtracting any term from the term that that's directly ahead of it. So let's look at an example. Example 1, find the common difference for the following sequence. Remember, a sequence is just a set of numbers. So here's my set of terms or numbers, okay? It doesn't necessarily have to be numbers. It's just a collection of objects called terms. So 101, 107, 113, 119, 125. The three dots mean that pattern is going to continue. Now you might be able to look in between and say, well, that's 6, 6, 6, 6. Great, okay? And that is, the common difference is 6. But using the definition, we're saying subtract the term you have from the one that's directly ahead of it. So 107 minus 101. If I look here, the term directly in front of 107 is 113, so I subtract 107 from 113. I get 6, okay? 113 and 119, 113 gets subtracted from 119 here, and if you look at the final one, 119, the term directly ahead of that is 125, and I subtract. Notice that the common differences are all 6, and you're saying, well, it's common difference, it should be. That's not always the case, okay? So if I give you a collection of objects, okay, and a collection of terms, numbers, if the common difference is always the same, you have a sequence that's called an arithmetic sequence. So don't get fooled into thinking that all sequences are arithmetic. They're not. So in this special case, because the common differences are the same, we have an arithmetic sequence. So last thing we want to do is define an arithmetic sequence. So it's when the difference between consecutive terms is constant, the sequence is arithmetic. So that's when we have that arithmetic sequence, when the constant difference is always the same. So a general equation for arithmetic sequence is a sub n equals a sub n minus 1 plus d. Okay, d is the common difference, a sub n is the nth term, okay, and a sub n minus 1 is the previous term. So this is a linear equation, okay? It's like the slope, the previous term plus d. It's not really the slope, but it's a linear equation, okay? So the idea is you're always constantly changing by the same amount. So arithmetic sequences, if you graph the sequence of numbers, would show a linear equation. So that's all I have for our first video on sequences and common difference. If you guys have any questions or comments, you can type them below, and we'll see you next time.